In this lab, we're going to show you how to set up a price plan.
The price plan rates can be different for different types of metering and customers. They range from simple all-day rates to complex demand and unbundled rates.
Let's get started with a simple all-day price plan.
First, you'll need to give your price plan a code and name. Select your product type, distribution network, and a start date that the plan is effective from. Let's now enter the rates. As you can see, you can enter a range of different rates. To create a simple price plan, enter your rates in the first two fields and leave the rest blank. You can also access the pricing wizard in the pricing maintenance screen. For each price plan you create, you'll need to complete this wizard. If you have complex or a large number of price plans, drop us an email or chat with us online.
We'll be happy to help.
Let's now add your product offering. Enter your offering code, description, start and end dates. Select the bill cycle, contract term, discount and default treatment type. Click on Save to add your product offering and price plan.
Continue watching more videos in the Utilmate Learning Lab.